The 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike brings more than just a fresh look and powerplant improvements, it represents a major step forward in the three-wheeled touring category. One of the key aspects that sets it apart is how Honda has refined the chassis architecture specifically for trike use, moving away from the traditional two-wheeler base with bolt-on conversion kits. This results in a more unified frame geometry that allows better weight distribution, increased rigidity, and smoother handling, especially when cornering or maneuvering through tight roads. Honda engineers also focused heavily on improving rider ergonomics. The handlebars are slightly repositioned for better reach, reducing shoulder fatigue over long hours of travel. The footpegs and floorboards are placed in a more natural stance to give both the rider and passenger better comfort, particularly for those long-haul trips across varying terrain. This slight change in rider triangle enhances posture and comfort without compromising control. Another big win for the 2026 model is the fully integrated rear axle setup. Unlike many trike conversion kits that suffer from rear-end instability, Honda's factory-engineered system uses a dual independent suspension setup for the rear wheels. This not only improves ride comfort but also keeps the trike more planted during aggressive acceleration and high-speed turns. It gives the rider better feedback and minimizes the skipping effect over bumpy surfaces. Improved sound insulation has been incorporated into the front fairing and side panels. This is a thoughtful touch considering how much time touring riders spend behind the bars. Honda used layered polymer dampening inside the panels to reduce road and wind noise, which results in a quieter cockpit and better communication through the intercom system. Riders can now enjoy music or navigation instructions without cranking the volume too high. The windscreen now includes anti-fog coating along with improved resistance to UV rays and scratching. Adjusting the screen is effortless even while in motion, thanks to the electronic glide motor that reacts quickly to button input. Riders can now toggle between high and low screen positions depending on their speed and wind preferences, and once set, the system remembers your last chosen height for future rides. One impressive feature is the new ride height leveling system, which automatically adjusts the suspension preload depending on the load being carried. Whether riding solo, with a passenger, or with fully loaded luggage, the system ensures that the trike maintains a balanced and consistent ride height. This contributes to better handling, improved tire wear, and enhanced braking stability. Tire technology has also evolved for the 2026 Gold Wing Trike. Honda collaborated with a leading tire manufacturer to produce custom touring tires optimized for trike handling. These tires feature a flatter profile for better contact with the road and improved grip, especially under wet conditions. The compound is also designed to last longer without sacrificing performance or comfort. Lighting is a key focus, not only for style but also for safety. In addition to the new adaptive cornering lights, the rear lighting now includes sequential turn signals that are highly visible in all lighting conditions. Brake lights have been designed to pulse briefly under hard braking, which alerts vehicles behind you more effectively and reduces the risk of rear-end collisions. The infotainment system is now connected to a cloud-based interface that allows over-the-air updates for maps, software, and voice command recognition. Riders no longer need to plug into a computer to keep their systems current. The system even offers ride history analytics, letting you review speed, fuel economy, and route information after your trip. Honda has also updated its voice command recognition module to understand more natural language, making it easier to control your navigation, audio, and calls without needing to remember specific phrases. Combined with the improved microphone sensitivity and wind noise cancellation, voice commands are more accurate, even at highway speeds. Charging ports are now more accessible with both USB-C and standard USB-A connections available near the dashboard and rear passenger area. These allow fast charging for smartphones, action cameras, and GPS units. Honda has even included a wireless charging pad built into the glove compartment for compatible phones, a first in the Gold Wing Trike lineup. For those looking into rider communication, the 2026 Gold Wing Trike supports mesh intercom systems that allow up to 20 riders to stay in contact over long distances. This feature will be invaluable for group rides and club events, letting everyone stay coordinated without relying solely on hand signals or phone calls. The air management system inside the cockpit has also seen upgrades. Adjustable air deflectors near the knees and lower legs help channel airflow around the rider to reduce fatigue and improve comfort. Riders can direct warm engine air toward their legs in colder weather, or push wind away on hot days, adding to the overall versatility. Paint durability is further improved by using a new ceramic clear coat that protects against stone chips and small abrasions. This keeps the trike looking newer for longer, even after thousands of miles on the road. The finishes have been thoroughly tested for resistance to extreme temperatures and varying humidity levels. Owners will appreciate that maintenance has been made simpler through easy access panels. Oil changes, filter replacements, and even coolant checks can now be performed more easily without the need to disassemble multiple parts. Honda has also expanded the onboard diagnostic system, which now provides riders with alerts on upcoming service intervals, tire pressure monitoring, and battery health. The fuel injection system has been recalibrated to provide more responsive throttle input while improving cold start behavior. This helps the trike warm up faster and reduces hesitation during takeoff, especially important when navigating heavy city traffic or rural roads with unpredictable starts and stops. Handling has received another boost through software-enhanced electronic steering assistance. This subtle but effective system reduces the amount of force needed at low speeds, making the trike easier to maneuver in parking lots or during U-turns. As speed increases, the assistance fades out to give riders a more natural road feel and better high-speed stability. Honda's engineering team also placed emphasis on heat management. The trike's engine now includes redesigned cooling vents and airflow pathways to direct hot air away from the rider. This keeps the cockpit temperature more consistent and reduces the need for constant wardrobe adjustments during extended summer rides. The seat itself is now modular, allowing riders to switch between various cushioning densities and materials depending on riding preference. Whether you're looking for soft gel inserts or firm memory foam, Honda will offer multiple seat configurations that snap into place without needing professional installation. A new touring-oriented navigation system is included with route suggestion features tailored for motorcycles. Riders can choose scenic routes, fastest paths, or low-traffic backroads, and the system dynamically adjusts based on road closures and real-time weather data, giving travelers the most updated ride plan possible. Night riding has also been enhanced through improved gauge backlighting with automatic brightness adjustment. This reduces eye strain and ensures critical ride information is clearly visible in all conditions. The digital display now shows tire temperature, road incline angle, and even air quality data sourced from online feeds when connected. For environmentally conscious riders, Honda's use of recyclable body materials and efficient manufacturing processes has been ramped up. The trike now uses less environmentally harmful paint materials, and many plastic components are made from recycled composites that still meet Honda's durability standards. The onboard alarm and security system is more advanced than ever. It now includes motion detection that sends alerts to your phone if someone tampers with the vehicle. GPS tracking is also built into the premium models, giving owners peace of mind even if the trike is left in unfamiliar areas for extended periods. Honda's advanced braking system includes slope-sensitive braking for descending hills. The system recognizes steep grades and automatically adjusts brake force distribution, minimizing the chance of rear-wheel lockup and providing more confidence when tackling mountain passes or uneven terrain. For those considering long-haul rides across different climates, the trike also includes weather-adaptive ride suggestions. By connecting to weather services, the infotainment system can recommend alternate routes or ideal stopping points based on upcoming weather changes. This feature is especially useful for cross-country travelers facing unpredictable conditions. On the technology side, Honda's mobile app integration allows you to lock or unlock the trike, check fuel levels, plan routes, and even start the engine remotely in hybrid mode for warming up or cooling down the cockpit before a ride. All these functions are designed with security protocols to prevent unauthorized access. Honda has worked hard to reduce overall weight while maintaining structural integrity. The new lightweight alloy components in the swingarm and subframe reduce unsprung mass, allowing better suspension responsiveness and less fatigue on the drivetrain. Despite being a trike, the vehicle does not feel sluggish or heavy at the bars. With all these updates, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike remains fully compatible with common motorcycle training systems and license classifications. Honda has ensured that even less experienced riders can quickly get accustomed to the trike's dynamics with confidence and safety features working behind the scenes to support the learning curve. To further attract newcomers, Honda has introduced a special beginner-friendly mode in the Ride Assist system. This mode softens throttle response, limits top speed, and applies extra traction control until the rider chooses to disable it. This feature helps new trike riders gain confidence gradually without overwhelming them. Performance accessories are also being expanded. Honda Performance Division will offer optional exhaust upgrades, wheel packages, and even trike-specific tuning chips that adjust throttle mapping and engine sound. These modifications are fully covered under warranty if installed at authorized dealerships, giving riders peace of mind. Finally, community support for the 2026 Gold Wing Trike is expected to grow rapidly. Honda-sponsored trike touring clubs, exclusive owner events, and route-sharing platforms are being developed to encourage owners to connect and explore together. This sense of community helps reinforce the value of owning a Gold Wing Trike and adds even more enjoyment to the experience. For anyone seeking a combination of luxury, stability, power, and technology in a long distance motorcycle, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike is the definitive answer. Whether it's your first trike or your next upgrade, this machine offers a balanced and complete experience that's hard to rival. From engineering to comfort, performance to safety, Honda has gone the extra mile to ensure every journey on this trike becomes